look at that. I'm going down today. I'm gonna try something different. Something I haven't done quite a while. I'm gonna make a blueberry crumble. I'm gonna do it on the grill, and we're gonna do it upright. So let's do this.
Let's go.
Alright, first things first, I'm gonna add in my blueberries. I'm not really measuring this because I don't like to measure things. I just kind of know where things should be. I'm gonna get this at least, 3/4 of the way full. So that's what I'm aiming for right now. Getting all those blueberries in there. Oh, we don't want that in there. It's got a stem. So blueberries are my favorite fruit, as well as my kids' favorite. I guess they get it genetically, right? Next, I'm gonna throw in a little lemon zest. This will kind of help curtail some of the sweetness. And I got really something special to show you that I'm gonna be adding to it here in just a second. And honestly, it's the only place I know you can get it. I'm not saying there's not other places. I just know that that's the only place I know of you can get it. But lemon zest, yeah, you can get that anywhere. Just taking a lemon, putting it in there, and voila, lemon zest. And I always try to make sure I check the back of mine grater, get those little ends, bits off there. Alright, so here's the special surprise that I've been wanting to share. This is a blueberry pie cane sugar. So that's what I'm going to put in here. And this is from our friends at Guste Vitae. So, like I said, I haven't seen this nowhere else. Somebody else may carry it, somebody else may make it, I don't know. I just know I love Guste Vitae, I love their seasonings, and I'm definitely excited about trying this blueberry cane sugar on here. 3/4 cup of oatmeal, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Alright, so now I take some fresh cinnamon, and I'm just going to grate that in there. Alright, then last but not least, 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Just going to stir that up. And we're basically going to use this as our topper on top of the blueberries, the cane sugar, and all the other goodies. And this is going to be good. Alright, so now I've got all that dry mixture mixed together. Put this here on top. Now we're going to go ahead and get this on the grill. And then we'll get this smoked. And we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so now I got a blueberry crumble going down here on the Blaze Kamado. Definitely should be an interesting cook. I have not done one of these in a long time, and it definitely was never on this grill. So looking forward to see how it turns out. It'll be my first real dessert, smoked dessert on the Blaze Kamado. So stay tuned. We'll see how it turns out, and I'm definitely hoping it's as good as it looks. And here she is, the blueberry crumble. Who wants a bite? Alright, so gotta try a little bit of this blueberry crumble again. It's so good. I put a little bit of bourbon in there just to give it a little extra kick, but man, you can taste the flavors on this. Only thing it really needs right now is a little bit of ice cream, and I'll definitely get to that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Definitely let me know what you thought about this video in the comments, and certainly some more to come. Hopefully we can get some more desserts, but let me know what you want in the future, and we'll definitely start trying to apply some of those different recipes, things that you all would like to see. Again, this was a fun cook. It was really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. Definitely more content coming.